Hello, this is Favhair and this is the Ponytail 12 inches. Yes, Ponytail 12 inches. And it's the body wave hair textures. And this one is the 18 inches. 18 inches. Very beautiful. Full and thickness end. Okay, I'm going to show you the ponytail straight. This one is the 16 inches. Okay, one bundle. This one is the 16 inches. Yes. This is also the 16 inches. Yes, and going to show you the 18 inches. 18 inches. Yes. And all of this is made by the natural human hair, and the human hair could be color, bleached, and restyled. This one is the longer. This one is the 24 inches. 24 inches, and it's made by the virgin human hair, and the quality is best. Could be color, bleached, and restyled. Okay, this is the 24, and I'm going to show you the longer one. Longer one is the 30 inches. This one is the 30 inches ponytail. Yes, it's very, very beautiful. Yes, very, very nice, and the silky straight.